This conference will now be recorded.
You are done with advanced filter. Okay. So next you have is text to columns. I'll put an example. So if I have a text in one column, okay, and then I want that text to be divided into different columns. So one text into different columns is text to columns.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible, ma'am.
One second. Just so I'm just adding a file for you that we can work on that. You can type some 10 names, repeat them a few times. Repeat them like 3-4 times.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Yes, 1 second. If I share the screen, it does not allow me to put the data in it. So that is why I'm just adding the data. By the time even you add 10 names, repeated names, okay. So, okay. Now my screen is visible, right? So I have this few names here, okay, and I have some data here, okay. So now you can see that there is text here. Aditi V. Javed is in one cell, okay. I want the middle name and the last name in different cells. At that time we convert them to text to column. Click on text to columns. So as my right cell is not free, it is asking me this, whether I should fix it or whether we should convert that or not. Say next. See, this is how it sees. You can see the preview below and click on next. Finish. So it asks, there is already data. Do you want to replace? For now, I will say yes so that it replaces. Aditi V. Check. I repeat, select the data, click on text to columns, do next, next, finish. Okay. Do it, everyone. Select the data, text to columns, next, next, finish. Okay, here now I'll add one column. Okay. Done with text with columns. Next you have is flash fill. Flash fill is nothing but it autofills as you require. So first part you need to say automatically it will autofill the rest of the things. Like see, I want only the first name here. You have to write the same case. AADIT. Okay, and then you flash fill. See, automatically every name's first letter is available here. I repeat, write the first name. Now, for example, here DL. 1 second, capital DL. Okay, flash fill. See, all the cells first digit is C. Sorry, first two characters are C. Okay. Good class. I appreciate your thing to send me all the everyone has sent the test thing, and most of them has done the right answers only. Don't know whether it is because you know or it is because you are working there and you whatever it might be, but I have received. That's good. Okay, now
Ma'am, my laptop doesn't have flash fill.
that's okay. It's a low. Which version are you working on? 2016. After 2000, yeah, 2015 also have 2016.
Mine is
Which
2010.
version?
I do not.
2010, 13. You must have, see, or else you'll have it here. Go to home. Here you will have in this fill, there is fill option. No? There you will have flash fill. If not in data, you might have in this.
No, ma'am, it's not there.
It's not there. Okay. You can try one option where you can go to file, go to options. Okay, go to advanced. I mean, if it's not an add-on, fine there. In advance. You'll have an option of flash fills here. Enable auto complete of cell values. Okay, under that you have automatically fill flash fill. See if that's ticked. If it is not here, then you do not have. I believe 2010 must have. Who was that? Who asked me?
And it's not there in options as well.
It's not there?
No, ma'am.
Then, okay. Next. Remove duplicates. Now, I'll put one more column here. Give me a second. Just that you will find. We'll put one more column here. Okay. Now, I have Aditi, 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 Aisha, Aisha, so many times. But then right to that is same, but right to that you see it is different. Now comes the question when I say remove duplicate. If I select only this particular part, that is the column A, and say remove duplicate, all the duplicate removes. That means rows remains only here, this column, whatever duplicates are there. I'll show you one by one so that you get to know the difference. Now I've selected only A, okay? I'll say remove duplicates. It is asking me expand. Remember in sort also it asked. So I will say continue with current selection. Remove duplicates. See, this is what I've got. I've got only 12 names. But then if I remove duplicate with the expand, what does this expand means? Where I will expand this, which includes B and C column. That means until unless both of these are the same, if Aditi
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. What is that you heard last? Remove duplicate was clear. Class, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that you heard last? Remove duplicate is clear.
No, ma'am.
You want me to? I'll do it again. So you got to know if it is only with one cell, I mean one column, then it goes. But if it is for the whole data, okay, if it is for the whole data, then if I remove duplicate, okay, it says no duplicate values. Why? Because it will get consideration into 1, 2, and 3. All 3 columns together will be one duplicate. So if I have 3 Aditis, but there are different, because Aditi, the data is same, even though the data is same, but the major is different. So only when I have Aditi, DLBC, and major geology, same Aditi, same this, and geology here, then I will have it as a duplicate. I will just, for your thing, I'll just create Aisha's and Aditi's with same major, so that you get to know the difference now. Select, remove duplicate. Okay. See now, you can see there is only one Aditi, and Aisha's, there were many which got omitted because they were same. Okay, do it everyone. Remove duplicate. Okay. Now, next you have is data validation. There are different types of data validation. First one is, for example, you have been given the data, and in that there are some prices which you are supposed to put. You are not supposed to put about 1,000 rupees in it. So your limit is 1,000 rupees only. You're not allowed to put about 1,000 rupees. So this job you're assigning to someone. So when you tell them you're not allowed to add about 1,000 rupees, so you, that particular range, you can lock that within 1,000. So in that particular area, you will not be able to add above 1,000 rupees. We will restrict that particular area to 1,000 rupees. First, you will select the data. I'll show it twice, class. You can see it first. Then you can do, you select the area, click on data validation. Here you will have any value, do it to whole numbers. If it is between, like if it is 500 and 1,000, then you can use between. As now my condition is below 1,000 rupees. That is less than 1,000. You can see here input message. Why is this input message required? So that it will show there that this is the input that I need to put. That means I am supposed to put less than 1,000 only. You put that in the input message, less than 1,000. And then this is the error alert. Why is this used? When the particular cell gets a range of about 1,000 rupees, then you will get an alert telling what you have done is wrong. You are not supposed to add about 1,000. So that is the message what you will receive. So you will write here as sorry, try again. These are the 3 steps you do, and you do OK. Now you see that particular area, when you keep your cell, you get this. Oh, I put 100. Okay, I'll put
Ma'am, in input message you wrote less than 100.
correct. But what did I give here?
Settings you gave 1000, but in input you wrote 100.
Okay, what were you doing when I was writing 100? I did not.
Ma'am, we thought
1000.
you were doing right, ma'am. So only.
Good supports you have. Huh? Good. Girls having unity. Okay, you do okay. So that's how you guys less than 1000. Now when I write 500, it takes, write 6. Sorry, try again. You retry until unless you give below 1000, it will not take. So you will give, take. I repeat the same. Now you can do with me. Select a particular area. Click on data validation. Okay, go to settings first. In this any value, do it as whole numbers. In between, do it as, now I'll do greater than, or we will do between only now. Between 500 and 1000. Go to input message. Here you can put anything, okay. I will give 500 to 1000. Then you go to error alert. See here you have option like it should stop, or it should warn, or it should inform. So anything, all three performs the same. You can try. You can give here anything. Try again and do okay. So this is the input message you receive, and then you give. So to try. Do it everyone. Once done, put 1, everyone. At least I don't understand. There were 18 people who are putting 1. Nishta, Namrata, Mogana Priya, Nikita, Priyanka. Now only hardly 5, 6. Done? We'll go to the next topic. Who has doubt? Everybody got the answers? Wow, 20 of them. Good girls. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. So now data validation only. Okay. That is, we'll create a drop down. So I'll just show you here. Select data validation, any value. You have an option of list. Click on list, take the source. What is the source? I mean, in what you want the list to be. I'll just select this part and do okay. That's all. You want me to show it again or you got it? So
Can you repeat it?
Yeah. Select a area where you want to put the drop down. Click on data validation. Any value to list. Source data is this. Okay. That's all. You won't see here also you can put with input message, you can put error alert, you can put. If you don't put anything, error alert, see now what I've done okay, I'll select from the, but here I will not, I'll just put by myself, okay, accounts. So it does not allow. So it is to restrict a particular area only. The ways the forms are different. I will try. So you can try it. Okay. Do that. Now I have one thing from you is, for example, I have product.
Ma'am, you're on mute, ma'am. Can't hear you talk.
Okay. Now what you do is you select product product code. You all try that, okay? By that time I'll put this data. Product code, product name, country, price. Okay. I'll have some products. Oh, I put another. Here, category. Okay. Anyone? Okay. So I'll categorize this. Fruits, fruits, vegetables, milk. Milk product, I'll take it as milk. Fruits. Okay. So I'll be importing that from different countries. US. You can do it as cities as well. Take it into and just give a different prices. This will be per unit price. Okay. Now, this is my data of like I have 2000, 3000 products. So this is my data. What I want you to give me the output is what I want the output is I want um, so what I want is price and then the quantity, okay, and then the total. So what I want my output to be is when I put a product name, for example, I will put orange. So when I put orange, I want a rest all product code category from which country, particular price, and I will put the quantity and automatically the total it must show. Do you want me to repeat again or you've understood? Shreya,
Ma'am, can you repeat it once again, ma'am?
Shreya, please unmute
Yes,
yourself.
yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yeah. So I have a data in sheet 4. Okay. Now what I want in sheet output is I will give the product. I should choose the product here. Automatically the product code, category, country, price must come. And I will give the quantity. Automatically it must do a total. So what all functions you will be using, what all formulas you can use, what all options you can use in Excel, you will have to think. Will you be able to do it now or should I do it in this as an assignment? You want me to give you 5 minutes? You'll try that doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, try. You want me to open the sheet? Anyone who is able to do? Can I stop sharing? I will send the, what is that? Your shortcut keys. I always forget after the class. Now only I will send you. You keep working. Anybody who's near to that, or anybody who has ideas like what you will be using?
Ma'am, is it index function?
Ma'am, it will be VLOOKUP.
Is it index function? I've taught you index function, Priyanka. I told you in whatever I've taught, in that you have. You want, you can try index function if you're aware of. Yes, VLOOKUP you'll use. Any functions, try any options, I want the output. Anybody who's able to do that? And 5 minutes more. I'm just sending the notes to you. You all are trying or you're not? Why is that? No doubts. Or everybody is able to do it? I have sent you, it's a Word file. Okay, it has list of shortcut keys. Confirm me once you receive.
We received, ma'am.
Okay. All are done. I'll go with the next topic.
Ma'am, we have a class till 8 o'clock, ma'am.
Yes. Why?
Okay, thank you.
Why is the doubt, Priya?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. On that day we had till 7:30. No, ma'am. So
Okay. If you did not get, then you can just do it after the class. Okay. If you have received, if you've got, then you can let me know. I can see how is that you've got. Or else. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is either in different sheets or in different places. So usually this option is used for different sheets. Like I have maybe you have 6 semesters, correct? 6 or 8?
Yes, ma'am. 6 semesters.
Okay. So you have 6 semesters. I want the total, I want to aggregate your total marks of 6 semesters. Then I will have the data of different semesters. Then I will consolidate them together into one. Okay. That's when it is in different sheets. Value of marks. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to copy paste the names in 6 different sheets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the subjects. The 7th sheet will be your total. And different marks in every sheets. And in the in the 7th sheet where you have written total, don't put the marks, just keep your cursor. I'll give you 2 minutes just to do the data. Once done, put 1. I will continue. At least 5 or 6 1 I get, and then I can continue.
Marks should be different for every sem, ma'am. Every sheet.
Correct. Yes. You get different marks, no, every semester. First semester you will get out of out. Then it will go on reducing. Correct, no, Nishta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I am repeating, in the 7th sheet, do not put the marks where you've written total. Just keep your cursor there. Keep your cursor in B2. Do not put the marks. Come on, girls, why do you take such a long time to type? Okay. Now keep your cursor in B2 in the 7th sheet. Click on consolidate. Where you have reference, go to that particular first sheet, select, okay, and click on add. Go to the second sheet, select same B2 to B11, add. Go to the third sheet, B2 to B11. As the data is in the same sheet, it is getting selected automatically. Add. Same way, fourth sheet, add, fifth, add, sixth, add. Do not click on the 7th sheet, just do OK. Okay.
Ma'am, can you do a
Now,
bit slowly, ma'am? I didn't get the part.
Okay, I need to delete all of this. See, what you have to do is you have to be in the 7th sheet. Keep your cursor in the 7th sheet, P2. That is where you want the answer. No, there you should keep your cursor. Click on consolidate. Now click on the first sheet. Select the data. B2 to B11. Add. Second sheet. It is already selected as it is in the same space. If it is not in the same cell address range, then you have to select it. Add. Then go to the third one. It will be selected. You should click on add. Fourth, it should be selected. Click on add. Fifth, add. Sixth, add. Do not even click on the 7th sheet because you are already in the 7th sheet. If you click on the 7th sheet, that reference also it will take and it will not give you the answer for it. So do not click on the sheet. Just click on OK. You will get the answer. You can, in here you have it as sum. So instead of sum, you can also get the count, average. Okay. You can do this as well. Did you get it, Anusha?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone try it. I'll give you 2 minutes. Anyone who's not able to get the answer, let me know. Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
I'm not getting the consolidate option, ma'am.
Consolidate option. What is it showing? You don't have to consolidate only.
No, ma'am, I don't have it.
Which version are you working?
The new version only, ma'am. The
No,
updated version.
you can share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
One second, Deepika. Okay. Because it is the very old option. 2007 also has consolidate.
In new version, it is represented in symbols, ma'am.
See, anyways, we'll just take a. No, you share your screen, Deepika. I've made you the presenter. You share the screen. Switch off your camera. What happened, Deepika? You're searching for that option? Ma'am, it says source reference overlaps destination. That is because you have selected sheet 7 also. I told you not to select Dhriti. You unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you go click on consolidate.
Ma'am, so I'm on sheet 7 and then I click on consolidate.
No. See, you were now, yeah, in 7 only you click on consolidate. You're not you can see all reference there.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
second. Now in that all reference you will have as sheet 7 also. The 7th sheet,
Okay.
whatever you have named. See, I have named it as
Yes,
sheet 9.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's there.
Then click on
Delete
that
it.
and click on delete. Correct. Now
Okay,
you'll
ma'am.
get it.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we need to start with the sheet 5, no, ma'am. Like, sorry,
Yeah.
sheet 1 from the to
Can you
consolidate.
please pardon? Can you please tell me what was it? There was a lot of disturbance. I couldn't hear you. Priya, can you please repeat your question? Deepika, where are you lost? Yes, class. What? Everybody's done. Five, 1, and then I'll go to the next topic. Okay. Now, I don't know if everybody has this. There is something called relationship here and sheet or forecast sheet. So these two topics people who have this option can try. You who don't, tomorrow's class, you can see what I'll do. So these two topics, I want you to try by yourself and tell me what and how you did it. So I don't have time to take what if analysis topic. I'll just do the grouping and ungroup option. So start to select a data group. So according to the rows or the columns, you can group them. So as I've selected rows now, I'll group the rows. So this is what it is. Now under this group, I will select only this particular rows and I'll create a group for it. So this is only dividing into for a vision, like you want to hide these, just have to click on the minus sign, it gets hidden. So when you want to see them, you can see them. Same way, if you want to group all of this from here to here, group. This is one more. Add. If you don't want them, ungroup the rows, ungroup the rows. So you have option here as well. Clear outlines, everything. And yeah, the tool, same way you can group here. Group columns. See? Group columns. Ungroup them. Okay. Group and ungroup. Take this. Take only consolidate, okay? What if analysis we do tomorrow?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
I got the consolidate option, ma'am.
Oh, good. Was there some network problem? That is the thing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
But good that you got it. That is what I.
Ma'am, even I got it, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, class. So just practice this and try with the assignment, that is the product, and this try with that. If nobody gets it in the next class, I will do and show you. That is tomorrow's class. Okay. Practice till consolidates. We'll see you tomorrow at 6:30. Yes, class. We'll wind up the class.